Get my Kim Kardashian. How you doing? Oh, this is pretty. Oh, girl, that's you? Okay. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I will be showing you guys how I got this lovely sleek style. This video today is sponsored by Luvme Hair. They were kind enough to send me this beautiful U-part unit in Chestnut. See this? This is beautiful. So I'm going to show you guys how I got this look. It was super easy. It takes no longer than 30-20 minutes to do, and right out the box. This hair is right out the box, y'all. I ain't had to color it. I didn't have to do much to it. All I did was pop it out the box, pop it on my head, straightened it, straightened a little bit of my hair. This is a good protective style for the winter, fall, summer, whatever. I wear U-parts all year round, so stay tuned to how I got this look, and I'm gonna show you guys how simple and easy it is to get this style. Shout out to Luvme again. All the information on the hair will be in the bottom of the description box. I want to tell you guys thank you for supporting my channel. I'm feeling very blessed. I feel gratitude towards everybody that watches my videos and leave comments and likes. And I really appreciate Luvme for sending me this beautiful hair. You guys are gonna see how I got this hair. Easy breezy, snap and go U-part. All right, hi guys. So we're back. This is the hair that Luvme sent me. This is my hair, pretty much braided up with my leave out. The construction of the wig, the U-part wig, is pretty good. Everyone sees the insides. Nice wefts, nice and thick, back to back. 3 combs on the top, 1 comb on the bottom. So everybody knows when Luvme sends you a wig, they don't just send you a wig. They send you the works. They send you a flat iron. I have a few of these. They're pretty good. They're good for traveling. Great for traveling. Nice, beautiful rose gold. And I tend to bring these when I'm on vacation, only because I don't want to bring my really good, expensive flat iron sometimes. So they give you like a package with some goodies that I'm going to be using. They give you a comb, a rat tail comb, bobby pins. Always need these. Headband, beautiful hair clip. Like, oh, this is dope. Tweezers. What's this? I don't know what this is. Oh, okay. So this is like a scarf. It says Luvme on it. It's pretty nice. Another thing, my hair is black, so I bought this from L'Oreal. This is supposed to be some highlight in, what color? In gold. So maybe I could just like get my hair, you know, blended in. So pretty much when you do a U-part, all you really need is like 3 bobby pins just to pin your hair. My hair is decent length. I got some hang time. And you pretty much just pin up your hair. Good to go. Got like a little beehive thing going on in the back. Let me turn around so you guys can see. I know my braiding skills are not all that. My braiding skills are not all that, but it doesn't matter. Because once we put this sucker on, it's good to go. Only thing, I always have this issue with all wigs. So the back, the elastics, the elastic band thing, okay. I'm never good any wig. Okay. You just open up the combs. It's gonna be easy breezy. Take it, Fill it out. Okay. All right. Bring it as close as you want. One thing I can say about Luvme, their U-parts, it ain't going nowhere once this thing is on your head. Not up. And then you take the back, the last one, and you put that sucker on. And just like that, you almost there, sis. You almost there. You almost at the finish line, sis. Oh, this is pretty. Oh, girl, that's you? Okay. I never did a brown. I always been a jet black. Okay, all right. Back to the video. I'm gonna flat iron my hair now. Make this really simple. We use the rat tail comb that came in our package. Comb out your real hair. I like to use my straightener and my flat iron right here. And I pretty much, whoop. Okay. My hair is fairly long, so that's why I had to get a 20-inch. Then I grab the other side. And I take my brush. You don't have to leave too much of your hair out, just enough in case the wind blows. Straight in the middle. I like to do section by section, one by one. Get this sucker bone straight, okay? Alright, I'm back, guys. I had to go to my bathroom, flat iron my hair. I feel like I get the best results in my bathroom. So, yeah. So this is the hair. Let's finish up this install. I love a middle part. I don't know about you. But, yeah. I'll blend my hair. Pretty much. Your girl is fall ready. Thanksgiving come, going to family house lit, coming through. They ain't gonna even recognize me. One thing I can say about this U-part is big head friendly, cause I got a big head. Yeah, I'm not like a little head kind of girl. I'm a big head girl. My head is big. That's it. The last thing you do is, let me see if Luvme sent me some of that good old wax. I like the wax from Luvme. I just pretty much just take some of my Garnier serum. Not too much, just a little bit. You don't want to weigh down the hair. And just pretty much slap that in the middle. And that's it. So this hair is a 20-inch. This hair is super long for a 20-inch. It looks longer than a 20-inch. I'm pretty tall. I'm 5'9". This hair goes past my bra, probably like to my waist. This hair is really long for a 20-inch, especially like after you straighten it. I'm going to put some edge control down. I noticed the edge controls help with the flyaways. I used to put the Got To Be, but the Got To Be sometimes it just leaves my hair a little bit too stiff. Alright, back again. So this is how the hair looks when it's straight. Very lovely, very beautiful. Like I said, this hair is 20 inches. This is the chestnut. Get that color. Can you see this brown? This brown is super pretty. I cannot stop touching this hair. But I know a lot of girls, they don't really like the whole bone straight look. So I'm going to show you guys how the hair looks when it's straightened. I'll be right back with that look. And I can sum up my review of this hair. Stay tuned. Okay, I'm back. So off camera, put this away. I curled the hair a little bit. I think because I boned straight. Let me fix my camera. So off camera, I pretty much try to curl the hair, but I think because my flat iron game is serious, I couldn't really get the curl that I wanted. See, I was trying to give it a nice little curl. It wouldn't really curl too much. I was just trying to get a little curl going, a little curl action going. Got my Kim Kardashian. How you doing? So thank you for watching, and keep watching, and I'll catch you on another video. Bye guys. You see how I got this hair? You see it? Yeah.